Let's take a look at an example of a Highstage workspace. I will first be showing the setup for this fictional high-tech electronics company, Ventus Electronics. We're looking at the home page, in this case with the company logo and some shortcuts to commonly used searches. On the top you see the menu bar, and on the left there is a menu that can be shown and hidden. By navigating the left side menu we can find different kinds of items, such as actions, documents, parts, and devices. Let's take a look at a part. This search shows me a list of all parts I have access to, and I can filter by typing in the column headers. In this case, I want to find a wheel frame. Now we're looking at the wheel frame part in Highstage. We can see the number and the type, together with a name. Below, there are different sections such as properties, options to change the part, a list of reviews and approvals, and active ECRs and ECOs, and a folder with associated files. Scrolling down, we get to the list of references. In this case, there are 3 revisions of a landing gear where this wheel frame is included. Now that was a very quick intro to Highstage and how to navigate the interface. We've been looking at Highstage for this fictive electronics company. Now let's take a look at what the setup could be for a different company. HS Medical is another fictive company. Instead of high-tech electronics, they are making medical devices. Starting from the home screen, we see that it's different from Ventus Electronics, with other shortcuts and searches. Here it's possible to switch to another home screen, so the user can select the one that suits them. So what we see on this page is completely configurable and can be set up in a way that suits your organization. Maybe you want to add information to users, links to certain internal documents or projects. It's all very easy to configure. Looking at the menu to the left, we can also see differences. This company has set up some commonly used shortcuts: technical files, customer complaints, changes, and service tickets. These make it very easy to find what you're looking for example, a certain type of technical file. They are also using the competency module and has a section for that in the menu. Let's take a look at a part for this company. We're now looking at the stethoscope and can see the layout of the page is quite different from what we saw before. There is much less information about the part, and the reason is that this company has a different need. They are probably working less with the part module and focus more on the document module. What you see on this page is all configurable: the text in the headers, the name of the properties, the way the sections are divided, the menu buttons, and the colors of the interface. The final thing I will talk about is how actions can be configured. In the action module, it's possible to create different types of processes, and in this example, there are 7 different types: customer complaint, ECM, ECO, ECR, etc. Let's search among the actions and find an ECR. The ECR process has been given 6 steps, and they are all completely configurable for the Highstage administrator in this company. It's possible to change the number of steps, the title of each step, and the documentation and actions required to get to the next step. Let's look at another action to compare. For example, a vigilance report, which is a process with only 4 steps. So that's it for this short demo in Highstage. I've shown you that in Highstage it's possible to add features and functionality. Another great possibility is to remove features and menu items that are not used, making it easier for users to navigate the interface. We have seen the versatility of Highstage, where it's all configurable: the menus, buttons, links, predefined searches, item properties, processes, etc. Thank you for listening.